Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Realme P3 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the power and volume down button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And when the Realme logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. And you can see. Now here, select language and it will send you in recovery, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Simply select format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code 5907. You can see in format data, please enter verification code 5907, enter it 5907. And here you can see on bottom, format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format and here you can see data formatted. Now simply tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when it again asks for password, pin, or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is a method to hard reset Realme P3 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.